It seems as though that religious groups in the country will lose their tax-exempt status from the year 2018 and on. And the move was sealed on Tuesday when the cabinet signed off on the government's new tax code revision. And our Myung-kil exchanges tells us how the changes work.
Under the government's latest tax revision, the clergy will be subject to income tax. It is expected that cash and compensation received after religious services, including voluntary work provided by clergy members, will be recognized as part of their income and will be taxed as such. The National Finance Institute expects taxing Korea's 230,000 clergymen will add more than $55 million to state coffers each year. Currently, about 11% of the clergy pay taxes on a voluntary basis, and the Finance Ministry estimates roughly $9 million are collected annually.
We need help from religious groups to increase state coffers. Korea is becoming a rapidly aging society while facing a shortage of capital to finance its growing social costs.
The new tax code revision is part of government-led efforts to establish equal taxation. Religious figures have been exempt from paying income tax for decades, as their work is regarded as a spiritual service. But some more conservative-leaning Protestant circles are against the pending tax plan.
We need more time to discuss and prepare against the potential friction between government authorities and religious leaders.
The pastor also added that pseudo-religious groups could ask for the government's recognition if they start to pay taxes. Catholic priests have been voluntarily paying income tax since the mid-1990s, and Buddhist priests have also expressed an intention to pay taxes on their earnings. The issue of taxing the clergy first came up in 1968 when the National Tax Service said the country needed to start collecting income taxes from priests and monks. But successive governments continued to postpone the matter, especially ahead of or during election seasons, despite Korea being the only OECD member to not levy taxes on the clergy. Myung-kil, Arirang News.